Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I don't know if there's any Roblox fans out there. My daughter is a super massive Roblox fan. So this here is the Twilight Daycare doll, and these are all mystery dolls inside. You don't know what you're gonna get, which is always such a bonus for kids. They tend to like toys that it's a mystery, so it's exciting to buy. And you get one character inside, you get a trading card, and you also get another card. It's a scratch card with a redeem code to be able to collect an item on your Roblox Twilight Daycare game. So this is pretty fun. This one here, we got the little girl that she's got cute little pigtails. The hair comes off, so when you do have all these dolls, you're able to kind of mix up their clothes just like you can on Roblox. You can make your character look like anything, so it's kind of fun. I do like the size of the doll is a nice size too, that you're not gonna lose it. The arms and everything move. You're able to change their clothes, and the fun part is you can interact with it on your game by redeeming something. And if you want to make your character on Roblox look like this little guy, then you can, which is pretty fun as well. I do like these toys. I love the fact that it's a collector's item too, so your child usually takes care of things that they want to collect, and you do have the card so you can keep track of the ones that you do have. So I think this girl is pretty cute with her butterflies on her, and I can't wait to see what other one we're gonna get when we buy a new one. That's just my point of view.